In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right color highlight extension on VS Code. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So color highlight extension helps you to highlight web colors in your VS Code editor. This is a very handy extension that you should have in VS Code. To get it, go ahead and open your editor. And once you are here, head over to extensions below. And here you can now search for any extension. So I'll proceed and search for color highlight, color, like that. And you might find we have maybe copies of the same extension. To get the right one, click on this first one here that you can see and make sure it is from Saji N. And at the time of recording this extension had over 9.2 million downloads with over 107 reviews and a star rating of 4.5. So if you see these details, you can read the details about this extension here. You will know that you have the right extension. To install it, click on install, and this will go ahead and install the extensions, and now it has been installed in our code editor. So that's how you can install the right color highlight extension on VS Code. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.